my gosh, I have paint all over myself. I didn't even notice. If you see these big like gray swooshes on my arm, it's just paint and dirt stuck to me. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. I am doing pretty alright myself. I'm sorry I look like this, but I have been working on stuff for the store all morning long, so I'm looking a little rough, but I'm still pretty excited for today's unboxing because I'm always excited to unbox things. Today we're going to be unboxing the Macy's beauty box for the month of July. Am I the only one that cannot believe it is already like July? I don't remember the day at all, but already like into July. Summer has come incredibly quickly, like with a vengeance, and it's going by so fast. It's making me panic slightly. But anywho, let's go ahead and get on into this box. Pretty excited to see what's in here. I haven't seen a single spoiler, a single sneak peek, so it's gonna be a surprise. Well, I don't want to ruin the surprise for everybody because I put everything in the box right on the front cover of this little pamphlet. But you do get a pamphlet in here, and on the inside you get a very sorry about the loud rumbling sound in the background. Some people in this lovely state of mind seem to believe that if your truck doesn't sound like 1,000 stampeding rhinoceroses, then it's not a real truck. Typically in here you get a $5 off coupon on your next beauty purchase, but this time they're spoiling us a little bit and they have put a $10 off coupon in here. So you can use that coupon when you make a beauty purchase at Macys.com, which is actually pretty nice because the stuff on there, like the beauty stuff, does ship free. So if you find something for like $10 or just a little bit more, you can get it for like free or almost free. Macy's Beauty Box is a monthly subscription. It is $15 a month and they do send a coupon every single month, so it kind of makes up for that price just a little bit. For me, Macy's is kind of like a conglomeration of Sephora, Play, and Ipsy. You do get a beauty bag every single month, like an actual zipper one, but the products inside remind me a little bit more of Sephora. They do have some high-end stuff because it's everything that comes from Macy's. But this month, here is the bag. I think it's actually pretty cute. I'm guessing the red, white, and blue and stars is for the 4th of July. We are after the 4th of July now, but I still think it's pretty cute. We're barely even into this unboxing right now, and I'm already way more impressed than I was with my Sephora Play Smarts that I paid $20 for. If you guys want to see that video, I'll link it around here somewhere. Alrighty, so inside here we have our little pink sushi roll like we have every single month, so I'm going to unravel the products and see what's in here. Okay, well, I might have spoken a little bit too soon. It's not terrible, it's just a lot of skincare and hair care from what I can currently see, but let's go ahead and get on into it. I'm gonna pull out the perfume sample first. This is Si Passion. What on earth kind of voice was that? This is Si Passion by Giorgio Armani. This is what the little bottle would look like if you were to purchase the full size of this. I will be giving you guys full size prices at the end of this video. Here is our little tiny sample. It is about halfway full, which I think is kind of standard with these little spray bottles. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little spritz and a sniff here. Ooh. Alrighty, so this is a pretty intense scent. It is very bold. It's reading a little bit more like on the mature side to me. I don't know why. Maybe it's just like because it's so bold and fancy smelling. Not 100% my favorite fragrance, but you know, I actually really like getting these little tiny samples for some reason. I think they're cute. I have an entire jar just like cram-packed full of these little spray bottles. Let's go ahead and move on to the next product here, which I'm sure everybody and their mother, grandmother, father, brother, sister, uncle, aunt has either received a sample of or at least seen. This is the Professional Pore Primer from Benefit, as I'm sure you guys know, and this is like one of the OG samples that come in all of these little subscription boxes. This primer and the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer have made an appearance in like every single box I've ever had. So here we just have a tiny little sample of the pore primer, and I am sure this will find its way into like a little sample baggie for a giveaway later on. Okie dokie, next up here we have something that looks like it's gonna be expensive. And oh boy, was I ever correct. So this is Privage Anti-Aging Daily Serum from Elizabeth Arden. So here is our little sample of the Privage by Elizabeth Arden, and this is just supposed to be like an anti-aging serum. I am very excited to see how much the full size of this is when we look at the full size pricing. Next up here we have a little bottle from Lancome. This is a Bifacil eye makeup remover, and this is actually pretty nice because recently I have just received this Monsieur Big Waterproof mascara from Lancome. I'm wearing it on my eyes right now, and I have been wearing it very recently because I have been sweating a lot, but this stuff here is very difficult to get off, so I'm happy to have a little eye makeup remover here because I think it's going to help a lot in the process. Alrighty guys, next up here we have something from Clarins, and I don't even know if it would be a Macy's Beauty Box unboxing without something from Clarins. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like every single time I unbox this box, there was a Clarins product in it. And you know, that's not the most terrible thing in the world. Clarins is a very fancy brand. This is a little bit different though. So I have a tonic body treatment oil. This is 100% pure plant extracts for firming and toning. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. I'll go ahead and pull out the, oh, yep, there it is. Undoubtedly, there will always be a very large piece of paper in here with all sorts of information on it. And then inside you will find your tiny little sample. So the oil is inside of this itty bitty little bottle. Oh wow, it's glass. I really didn't expect this tiny little bottle to be glass, but it is. Okay, so it says that you're supposed to apply this to your entire body, working from the ankles like up. So basically, for me at least, this little bottle here is a one-time application, but I could definitely use some firming and toning. I really gotta get to the gym. So, you know, I'll give this a try. I doubt I'm gonna see any results from basically one application, but you never know, maybe it's magic. Alrighty guys, and the last thing in here is the largest thing, so I saved it for last. This is a Rituals, very interesting little logo there. It's like Rituals, and this is the Ritual of Hama, a purifying ceremony for body and soul. Isn't this just a shower gel? Inside here is fresh eucalyptus and rosemary. I do love rosemary, but eucalyptus actually gives me a really, really bad headache. So I will definitely see if I can use this. Just smelling it from the little top here, it is pretty strongly eucalyptus-y, so I'll see about this. I actually just received another shower gel in the Target Beauty Box unboxing I just did. It was a Nivea one, it was full size. And I think in that video I was like, oh, I've never had a foaming shower gel, and now I have two. Alrighty guys, that was everything that came in my box, and I have to say this was not exactly my favorite Macy's Beauty Box. Some of the products in here I'm definitely interested in trying out, but there's a lot of like skincare stuff going on, and I wasn't exactly too excited about the perfume sample. I think my favorite things are the Lancome eye makeup remover because I need it, and the $10 off coupon, and actually the bag itself. This isn't quite a color scheme that I would typically go for, but it feels like a really sturdy, nice bag, so you could definitely put some stuff in here to travel and go places. Now on to one of my favorite parts of this entire Macy's unboxing process. It's reading some of the ridiculous prices that come with some of these products. Macy's Beauty Box is definitely known for putting some pretty pricey items inside the box, so let's go ahead and see what we got here. Alright, so first up we have the Lancome by Facile Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. So there are actually several different sizes of this, but the largest is 13.5 ounces and $62, and the smallest is the travel size, which is $15. It does not give me the ounces for the travel size, so I'll go ahead and look that up and try to figure out the value of this little guy right here. Next. I think I did the can. Next up here we have the Rituals shower ceremony, which is $15 full size, which I guess isn't too crazy. Then we have the Clarins tonic body treatment oil, which is $64 full size. Here we go. This is what I was looking for. Next up we have the Prevage anti-aging daily serum. The full size of it is $162. I think this little sample right here definitely takes the cake for the sample of the most expensive product we've ever had included in this box. It also does not list how many ounces you get for your $162. I'll look that up for you guys and let you know. But like I said, with some of these things in here, like the value might actually be pretty good for the little sample, but I'm never ever going to be able to afford $162 to buy a full size of this, even if it's fantastic. So that's unfortunate, but that's expensive. Then we have the Benefit Cosmetics Pore Primer, and this is $31 full size. And finally, we have the little perfume here, which for the largest size of it, which is 5.1 ounces, that's a very big perfume bottle, it is $140. Alrighty guys, that was all the products and their full size pricings in this month's Macy's Beauty Box. Let me know what you guys thought about it down below in the comments. Is this a box that you like? Is this a box that you don't like? I love to hear all your thoughts and opinions. Have any of you ever tried Prevage by Elizabeth Arden? I would really like to know if it's worth the $162. Let me know down below. I'm incredibly curious. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And don't forget that we do have a giveaway going on currently. I will link that down below for you guys. But I just hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!